going to practice soldering this type of component. Okay, it's an IC. Okay, okay, and this one, NEC processor chip. I don't even know what processor it is, but let's have fun. Okay, and then if we got time, we're gonna solder this one. Okay, this is a filter, just to compare how small this component is. I take a keyboard keycap, place it under here. Okay, this is our regular keycap, cherry blue, cherry MX, or whatever shit. Okay, okay, let me put. Okay, this is the component we're gonna solder. Wait, what the heck? Okay, this is the size we're gonna try and play today. Okay, so without wasting time, we're gonna solder the big chip first. I think I'm gonna solder the medium chip first, which is located in, okay, here. Okay, so the component name is SOP, SOP, but actually it's not called SOP. I don't know what it called. Where's pin number 1? Where the heck is pin number 1? This is pin number 1. Okay, okay, you see a curve here, a curve here. This side is pin number 1. So we're gonna flip it over. Like this, and then we're gonna solder. Okay, before we solder, the first thing we do is apply flux. Kick this out. Okay, flux is like drugs for soldering. So you apply the drugs, the solder will go easy. Okay, put the component here first. Okay, this is the back side. Where's pin number 1? Okay, pin number 1 is up there. Okay. Okay, since the component is big, I don't want to apply solder first. I'm gonna solder a pin first. Okay. Apply some solder. Okay. Oh, where the heck is my solder gone? Okay. Something wrong with my solder tip today. Okay, the first one secured, and then we're gonna secure on the other side. Okay, let's go this side first. Okay, we adjust a bit. Clean the tip. Something wrong with my solder tip today. It's not sticking. Okay, so the stick already. It's quite intact. Okay, so we're gonna do one by one. Press on the leg. Okay, press on the other leg. Apply solder. Okay, done. The third one. Okay, done. 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 One more. Done. Okay, this is not nice. Okay, we can adjust now. Okay, nice. I'm gonna flip the board. Okay, we do the bottom side now. Done. Done. Let me see. Adjust lighting. Too much glare. Do another one. Okay, done. 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 Too fat. Okay. Another one. Okay, done. So we're gonna pull this one out a bit. Nice. So before we say job well done, we're gonna check the pin. Solid, 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 solid. Okay, go to the other side. Okay. Solid, 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 solid. Okay, clean up. Okay. Okay. Why do we need to practice the soldering technique? Okay, let me show you something. Okay, this is the real component, which is from the motherboard of a monitor, Samsung. Okay, so this motherboard have problem with the power. Okay, power supply. This is the chip that is got problem. Okay, without practicing your technique, it's very hard for you to solder one by one on the leg. If you want to remove, it's very easy. Just use a hot gun, blast the hot air, take out the chip. But to put it back and solder the leg, you need skill. This is why I keep on practice. This is what I soldered. Okay, I'm using a C115 to solder it. Without C115, if I'm using the C210 solder station, I cannot do this job. You know, the solder iron is too big for this job. Okay, let's continue to the practice. So there are more components that need micro soldering technique, and this is just one of it. Okay, let's move on to the, okay, let me clean it up first. Clean nice, let the flux gone, otherwise the board will be very sticky. Okay, we're gonna try the NEC today. NEC, okay, let me take the chip. Okay, put it here. Pin number 1, I think it's this side. Okay, QPF, okay. How do I know pin number 1? Actually, I don't know. But the word is, you know, right like this. So I just follow. Is it right? I don't know. But this is just a practice board. Okay. So before we do anything, flux. Pump in all the drugs flux. Pump. Okay, pump this shit all over the solder joint. Without flux, you can't do soldering. The solder will stick 2 to 3 together, and they cause a short circuit. Okay. Put the chip in. Secure the chip. Okay, let's see. The left side is correct. The right side is correct. Top and bottom. Okay, correct. Let's solder a pin first. How do you solder a pin? Add some flux. Add some solder on the tips. Secure the first solder pin. Where the hell is my solder, man? Why is it does not stick today? Hey, this is a JBC solder tip. It should be a good quality. Shit. Okay, it moved already. Oh, lucky me. Everything still in place except the left side. Okay, I adjust a bit. Okay, and I'm gonna secure this place first. Looks like a bit off. Never mind, we adjust again. Looks like out of focus. Wait. Okay. Okay, should look nice. Okay, now secure the first pin. Okay, this is what problem? This is no flux problem. Add flux. Okay, with flux you will see the solder will be nice. Oh, I solder on the second one as well. Okay, never mind. Okay, done. Oh. Okay, all aligned. Okay, let's start with this side. Flux again, not enough flux today. Okay, clean the solder tape, take the solder wire. Let's start the job. Okay, the first one is good. Second one, good. Third one, good. Fourth one, good. Fifth one, not good. Okay. 6. Mhm. Okay. 8. 8 and 9. Wow, one shot. One stone, two bird. Okay, this one good. And this one good. Okay, let's check. Okay, solid. Pin 2, solid. Solid. Wait. Pin 4, solid. 5, solid. 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 And solid. Okay, the other side. Okay. Add flux, the drugs for solder. Hey, why do I want to learn this micro soldering? Okay, because I have a lot of minor rig, graphic card rig. So I don't trust some people here. They do repair because some of them have little knowledge. So they just trial and error on your GPU or AC machine. Okay? And some of them repaired, come back 2 days later, the board die, have to send back repair again. It's like never ending problem. So instead of that, why don't I learn myself, replace the chip myself, take my own sweet time, do the best soldering joint, better than factory, and then I repair my rig. So if I have more time, maybe this can be continue as a business, right? Nobody knows. But meanwhile, I need to learn myself, repair my own rig. Okay, this is what happened. Not enough flux. And then the pad gone. See this pad? No more. So once no more means what? No connection. No connection means what? You're fucked. Is there a way to repair? Let me show you. Hey, the solder, come out. Come out. Margaret, come out. More flux. More drugs. Okay. Don't care about the pad first. Most important here is this one. Okay. Ayah. Oh. Bugger. This is skill. This thing you should practice because it will happen on the real board. If this happen on the real board, you got two options. One is put flux on the solder, or step 2, use a solder wick. Suck it up. Okay. See? It's suck already. This is called solder sucker. Okay, we got repads. Repads mean you're as good as dead. Okay, so what you are going to do? This one cannot connect to this pin. Okay, so how are we going to do? I don't know, but we will try. Is it possible to fix it? Wow, the whole thing gone, man. The whole trace gone. Wait. This is a grinding pen. Okay. If you look at it, there's no place for me to grind. Okay. No copper anywhere. So this is, I don't know. Let me grind below and see. Is there any copper left? Wait. Oh my god, there's no copper left, man. Totally empty. I am fucked. Let me grind more and see. Is there any copper left? Any tracer for me to repair? Please show some copper. Shit, there's no copper at all. Okay. Okay, let me explain why I can just leave it like that. First thing, this is a practice board. Okay. This practice board, let's say this is the processor. And then this is the end. They just give you to practice. Okay. The whole traces is this long. Okay. This long only. So if the real, let's say a real motherboard, this will connected to something like capacitor, diode. Then you see it like this. This is a trace, okay. But this one no. So whatever I grind, there's not here. There's nothing here. Below is just a board. So we just forget about it. We continue. Don't get panic. This thing happens a lot if you're doing on the real soldering motherboard. Let me see. This is okay. This is done. I shit myself almost. But lucky. This is just a practice board. Okay. Wait, this one is secure. Which one is not? Oh my god. This is the one I haven't soldered. Okay. What did I do just now? How the heck I I do the wrong chip, man. What the heck? Okay. Continue with this one. Bloody hell. Okay, my mistake. Newbie mistake. Okay, no worry. Let's do this one. Okay, done. 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 So if you give me repair, I can bet 90% your motherboard is gonna get F. Okay. Okay, good. So next one. Next one. That's why practice is very important. Micro soldering is not a joke, man. This is a very tough job. If you see Linus, uh, he tried to replace the HDMI port on the camera. He didn't make it. The whole HDMI port gone to the ninth dimension. Solid, 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 solid. Okay, let's go on to the next. See this one? Okay, it's not solder. I'm gonna start with this. Okay. That's why I apply flux. If no flux, you will see they will join together. Let me see. Okay, let's see this one. Solid, solid. Solid, 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 solid. Good. Okay, now you can send your GPU for me to repair. But there's 90% chance you won't get back. Okay. Okay, let's see this side. Okay, a bit off, but it's okay. Flux. Show the wire. Okay, good, good. Not sure is it good or not. Let's do again. Okay, good, good. Okay, good. Okay, they're gonna join together. Okay, take out. So, not enough flux. Okay, wait, clean up the tip. Clean up the tip. See, with flux, everything is like drugs. Everything you see, do things like Superman. one. Okay, the side not enough flux. Okay, let's add some flux. Okay, solder tip clean, not clean. Nice. Check. Solid, 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 solid. Oh, no solid. Okay, last one. No, I can cheat myself and say solid, but no, I'm not gonna do it. Okay, okay, they're married together. Not enough flux. Good. Let's see, is it solid or not? Solid. Solid. Good. Clean up. Is this one done? Looks like it's moving. Let's confirm here. Okay, this one. Looks like I haven't done it. Done? No. No. Okay, this part I haven't done. Let's do it. It's kind of fun, doing micro soldering as a hobby, or repair your own device, or you can do business. But you have to have a good soldering station, not to say good soldering station, a budget soldering station, but the tips, solder tips must be good, like JBC. Okay, because mostly the factory come, those China made, they didn't give you a very good quality solder tips. You have to get yourself. One time good investment. Okay, it's either, I mean, if you can repair a GTX 1080 Ti 1 unit, you already come back your ROI. You already return already. So let's say you have 60 unit. Imagine, is it worth for the investment? I say yes, for own self. Solid, 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 solid. Solid, solid, solid. Okay, all good. I'm gonna take a baby toothbrush, clean all the flux. Okay, red. Okay, This chip is called SMD chip. Okay, SMD is not easy, but if you train hard, yes, you can do it. Okay, let's do this. Let me adjust the board. Okay, we're gonna do some micro soldering. Okay, how small is this device? Let me see. What is this? MT. Oh, where is the? Okay, here. Okay, how big is this device? Let me compare with. Where's my keycap? Where's my keycap? Okay, here. This is your keyboard keycap. You can compare how small is it. This is the size. Okay. Let's try and solder. Okay. Take out this one. I'm very scared about this type of resistor because it can fly to the 9th dimension anytime. Scary. Let me poke a hole from here. Ooh, scary, scary. What the? Come on, man. I can solder small component, but I cannot take out this small plastic bag. What the heck? Let me use another tweezer. Let's see if this works or not. Okay, this one is better. Okay, the first one is out. Wow. Man, this picking components is not easy. Come on, the plastic. What the hell? Is it still there? Shit, it's gone. Gone. Where is it? Let me on the other LED. Where is it? I can't find. Gone. 9 dimension to the UFO. Okay, now it's good. Now I have to grab this one. Okay, how do we pick it up? Add some flux. Stick some flux. Pick it up. Okay. Hell. Imagine This is more smaller than beside this one. Oh my god, this is so small, man. Is it even fit? Okay, I think it fit. Okay. Soldering station on. Clean. Add some solder. Right hand side holding the tweezer. My right hand sucks, man. I have to use left hand for steady soldering. Picking up the component. And then my right side is the solder station. A tiny bit. Stick, please. Okay, stick already. Okay. Okay, done. So the other side. Done. Oh, this is super small. Super small. So the other one. Can I grab another one? There's some sort flux. The tip. Yes. Okay. Right hand grab tweezer. Push it down. Okay. Secure in place. Tweezer. Soldering iron. Okay. It is secure, but not nice. Take out. Shit. Just like a turtle. You know the turtle? Just flip his back. Okay, I'm gonna flip it back again. I want to push it back here. Okay, my right hand start to numb. So when they start to numb, my finger is shaking. So I have to done it fast. Okay. Not yet. Come on, man. Patient. Patient. Okay, done one. Woo! Like a kilometer away, man. Never mind, I add more solder. So that it's stick. Oh, okay. Nicely done. Okay. I have to stop here. My fingers start to numb already. I have to relax about 5 minutes and can continue. Let's clean it up first. This is micro soldering. Okay. What we achieved today is to solder this chip. Although it doesn't look nice, but I'm still a beginner. Okay. And so this NEC chip and this two crazy small filter, SMD filter, crazy small. It's smaller than a resistor. Oh my god, see this one? It's out, man, totally out of focus. Let me fix it. Quick fix. So without flux, you see, it's very bad. Very bad. I have to put flux. Oh, I put the wrong one. Okay, it's done. Okay, it's done. Okay, much better. Okay, I call it a day. Practice soon.